The lift is on its way, and we're headed to the airport. We're about to do this damn thing, right? You do not look 50 at all. Yes. So, you are Nicole.
Nikki, aka Rhythm.
Rhythm, yes.
Yeah.
Greatest Lyft driver and Uber driver ever, hands down, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, dog.
Bye, you guys.
Okay, now that he's awake, I'm awake. We've made it through security. It's time to get breakfast. Where are we going, bro?
That location's yet to be revealed, but we getting out of state, bitches.
Remember, this video is gonna be put up after we go, after we come back.
We're going to Hawaii. Hawaii's that way.
Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens tomorrow. Up tonight, feeling okay. We don't wanna waste another day. If you feel inside that happiness vibe, yeah, we feeling up.
Yeah, I'm loving life every single day. I got that sunlight on my face. We vibe high when we in them rays. We even smile when we in the rain. And if you're down, yo, I feel your pain. But rise up and give it everything. Yeah, we love life every single.
We decided first night we weren't gonna do anything major. We just wanted to come to the beach and check it out. So we're on this little shuttleway right here. As you can see. That's a German television. They're filming. The fireworks are gonna be over there somewhere. The TV show is called Et Roman? Yeah. Et Roman. Or Ed Roman or Et. I've had massages before, bro. Yeah. It's about time to get massages. I know what you're thinking, but it ain't that type of massage place. That place was wonderful. Bro, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
I fell in love with that girl that was touching me. Oh my God.
You should have heard this one. This is his first massage like this ever.
Oh my God. She was amazing. It was the girl I wanted to rub me to. That was the best part.
Yeah. Dude, that tiny little girl felt like she was 300 pounds with the pressure, and I was like, this is amazing. This deep tissue massage is what I needed in my life. And so I think we should go back at least one more time before the week's up. You know?
Yeah. If I get the same girl, hell yeah.
Man, this is your life. You gotta enjoy this.